Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 2D drawing from the existing 3D solid part, especially the complex section view with the help of FreeCAD TechDraw Workbench. Here you find the first steps and the tools that I used to create the 2D drawing. First, open the existing 3D model and then switch to TechDraw Workbench. Next, click on the New Page template and insert the preferred template to your project. The size of the template depends on the size of your model as well as the number and the scale of the views. First, click simply this button to open and to start the FreeCAD workspace. Now, open the existing 3D model. Now, switch from Part Design Workbench to TechDraw Workbench. Next, click on the New Page Template tool and insert the preferred template to your project. I have a small model, and because of this, I choose the A4 Landscape template. To create the views, first select the body whose drawing we want to create and then click the Insert View button. As you see, one view appear in the middle of the page and a dialog window in the task panel. Click on the buttons in the dialog window until you see the front or the required view. After the first view is ready, then click on the other boxes to create the secondary views. We don't need to change the scale of the views for this drawing. As you see, now we have the basic views on. Now, we create the center lines on the top view. Select the 3 circles and then activate the Bold Circle Center Lines tool. Next, we create the complex section view. Switch to the Part Design Workbench and then create a sketch which corresponds to the section line. I already created the sketch. Create a sketch always in 3D when you need to create a complex section view. Switch back to the TechDraw Workbench. Now, first select the view, then the sketch, and then activate the Complex Section View tool. Select the option Align and then put the name or identifier of the view. Next, select the direction of the section or the arrow. Activate the Life Update icon to see the section view before you close the dialog window. Close OK to confirm. As you see, we have all the views to describe the 3D solid part. Next, we create the center and the symmetry lines. To create the center line, you have a choice between the faces OT the border lines. Set the line type and the thickness of the line in the center line dialog window. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Now, we assign the dimensions to the views. If you have one dimensions multiple times, then add the number of the dimensions as prefix. Unfortunately, it is not possible to measure a diameter dimension between two lines. Now, we add a diameter prefix to circular dimensions. Next, we add the prefix for the number of holes. If you want to show a shaded ISO view in your drawing, first switch to Part Design Workbench and then position the solid part into isometric position. Switch to the TechDraw Workbench. Now click on simply the Active View tool and then position the view at the proper position. Change the scale of the view to 0.5 here. The next step is to edit the text field according to the project requirements and company specifications. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.